All right, people, we're on the Jetson Bolt Pro again. How exciting is this? Seeing this? Okay. We're gonna do a little terrain testing today. All right. First, we're gonna do a little bit of dirt path in it, okay? And let's just get past these little kids. We're gonna do a little grass. I take that back. A little grass. We're hitting the grass at about 12 miles an hour, and it's pretty tightly packed grass. It's nicely cut grass, right? And we're zipping through, maintaining our 11-mile-an-hour speed. Isn't that something? So here we go again. We're at 11 miles an hour, and we're maintaining it. What's up? See, you got people smiling already. Smiling, smiling. We actually increased our speed going through that grass. Isn't that something? Now here's just like a mixture of like dirt, a little bit of weeds, and yeah, look at this. So we're zipping through this. No problem. Okay? Here's a little bit of like dirt sand. No problem. Okay, we're gonna get on that dirt path I was talking about here, and we're gonna check that out. All right. Smiles all around. I love it. People are so excited for me to be on this bike. They wish they had one. All right. We're gonna go on the trail here for a second. This is kind of a tightly packed sand, loosely packed dirt, if you know what I'm saying. You can easily like swoosh the sand around with your hand. It could easily move around, but it's not like deep sand, but it's loosely packed dirt. And we're carving, see? Got some carving capabilities. These tires are not just straight. They've got a little bit of off-road capability, if you will. A little sportness. And, you know, we're zipping along at about 10, 11 miles an hour. Not bad, right? So, by no means is this bike anything more than a zipping around town, zipping to your buddies, you know, street cruiser. But I like to put my bikes through the paces and just see what they're capable of, you know? Push the envelope, because nobody else is. If you go on YouTube, nobody's really doing terrain testing on YouTube of the Jetson Bolt Pro, you know? So I like to fill in the gaps, you know, the gaps. There are no videos, so I'm making the video, right? If you look at like spackle on a wall, when there's like a hole from like a nail from like a picture, and they put spackle in it to fill the gaps, that's what I am. I'm the spackle of YouTube, okay? So we're zipping along. Look at this. At like 11 miles an hour, making friends everywhere we go. We got these little kids over here waving to us, wishing they were on the bike. It's like a parade, kind of. All right. We did the grass. We did the little dirt path. We did the concrete. We did the multi-terrain. Now we're gonna do some mulch bark. And we're hitting it at about 17 miles an hour. And we're doing it, people. You see this? I mean, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but we're doing it. And no problem. You know, let's do it again. So, I mean, this bike definitely has some capabilities. Look at this. We hit it at 12 miles an hour, and we exit it at 9 miles an hour. Isn't that something? So, I mean, the bike can kind of handle more than you think it can. That's kind of the lesson here. It can handle dirt. It can handle kind of multi-terrain, which is what this is. It can handle grass. It can handle mulch. It can obviously handle street. Yeah, so I mean, at the end of the day, the bike can handle a lot more than you think it can. It's a pretty capable little bike, even though it doesn't have a lot of power. It's got some capabilities, right? So anyway, there you have it. That's a little bit of terrain testing for you. Hopefully this helped you out, helps you make a decision if you want to get one or not. And yeah, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I always get back to my commenters, so drop me a comment. And appreciate it. God bless. Peace out.